In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account to your bank using your PC. If you're ready to move some of your funds from your investments back into your bank, you've come to the right place. I'll take you through each step, and I'll also point out a few helpful details along the way. So even if it's your first time transferring funds, you'll feel confident throughout the process. First, make sure you're logged in to Robinhood on your computer. Open your preferred web browser and sign in using your secure login credentials. It's always a good idea to make sure you're using a private and secure internet connection, especially when dealing with your finances online. Once you're logged in, look for the account menu at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this should show a drop-down menu with several options. From here, navigate to Transfers and then choose Withdraw. This is the area where you'll manage all of your fund movements, whether you're transferring money into or out of Robinhood. Now you'll see the option to Transfer to Bank. Go ahead and select this. What we're doing is sending money from your Robinhood account to one of your linked bank accounts. You'll now need to type in the amount you want to withdraw. Double check this figure to make sure you're withdrawing exactly what you need. Remember, you can only move available cash, so funds from recent trades or deposits may have a short hold period before they can be withdrawn. After you've entered your desired amount, you'll be prompted to choose the bank account where you want your money sent. If you have more than one bank connected, review your options carefully to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. With the correct bank account selected, click on Preview to review all of the details of your withdrawal. This gives you one last chance to confirm the amount and destination. If everything looks accurate, go ahead and hit Submit to finish your withdrawal. Once confirmed, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. For most standard transfers, you can expect the money to arrive within 1 to 3 business days. However, Robinhood also offers instant transfers for certain eligible accounts, which move money much more quickly, sometimes within minutes. Just keep in mind that instant transfers might come with a small fee, so consider whether speed or avoiding extra charges is more important for your needs. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, withdrawing funds from Robinhood to your bank is quick, secure, and easy to understand. If you have more questions about transfers or managing your money, be sure to check out Robinhood's help resources or your bank's customer support. Thanks for watching and happy investing.